Ever wished your photos could move and feel truly alive without the headache of learning complicated editing software? Now you can. With TopMedia image to video, any still picture can be transformed into a cinematic masterpiece in just a few seconds, and it's 100% free. It doesn't matter if you're a content creator, entrepreneur, real estate agent, e-commerce seller, or simply someone who wants to make eye-catching visuals for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube, or even business presentations. This tool is built for you. Powered by advanced AI motion technology, TopMediai takes your static images and turns them into smooth, professional, high-impact videos that instantly grab attention. With just a few clicks, your photos become dynamic stories ready to share anywhere. What sets TopMediai image to video apart is how effortlessly it combines creativity with technology. Its AI-powered motion analysis brings photos to life with natural cinematic movement, giving every frame a professional polish. On top of that, you'll get Ultra HD output, so your videos are crisp, clear, and built to impress. The tool also adds intelligent camera motion, smooth pans, zooms, and framing that feel like they were crafted by a pro editor. This makes it a game changer for marketing and advertising, helping you grab attention, tell stories more effectively, and keep viewers engaged from start to finish. Best of all, it's simple. No editing skills required, just upload your image, let the AI do the work, and watch your ideas transform into stunning, high-impact videos. Now let's dive in and see how it all works. The first step is to head over to topmediai.com. I've already included the link in the description, so you can get there with just one click. Once you're on the site, go ahead and create your free account. You can sign up instantly using Google, Facebook, Apple, or simply your email address. It only takes a few seconds. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to the main dashboard, your central hub for all of TopMediai's powerful creative tools. From here, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Here's what you'll find. Video AI. Transform your images into stunning cinematic videos in seconds. Voiceover AI. Generate natural, professional sounding narrations. Music AI. Create unique soundtracks perfectly matched to your visuals. Other AI creative tools. Speed up your workflow and bring your ideas to life faster than ever. Let's check out the short video tool in TopMediai. It's built to help you make fast, scroll-stopping content in just a few minutes. Ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Thanks to AI-powered motion, effects, and audio, your videos come out polished and professional without the need for advanced editing skills. As soon as you open the tool, you'll see a gallery of short videos created by other users, perfect for sparking ideas. From there, creating your own is straightforward and only takes a few simple steps. Start by entering your prompt, just a quick description of the video you want to create. For example, I typed, "Make a product showcase video for a new coffee shop." Next, set your video quality and duration. I'm choosing professional quality and a 30-second length. Then, select the video ratio. I'll go with 9:16, which works perfectly for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. After that, pick a voiceover. TopMediai offers a variety of natural-sounding voices, and you can preview each one instantly.
Are you looking for the perfect voice?
Once you find the right match, select it. Now move on to background music. Browse through the built-in library or upload your own track. Preview a few until you find the one that fits your video style. When everything is set, click Generate and let the AI work its magic. In just minutes, your short video will be ready. Simply hit play and enjoy the results.
While the city is still sleeping, the aroma of coffee on the street corner has quietly awakened. Behind every cup of coffee are countless precise preparations. Freshly ground is the first breath of the aroma. Every flow of water is carefully crafted by the flavor. A good cup of coffee starts to touch people's hearts from the aroma. A cup of coffee is not only the taste, but also the temperature between people. At that moment, the world was quiet, and only the mellow fragrance of coffee was left. Here, every cup of coffee is with you for a while.
Impressive, right? With just a single prompt, the AI delivered a sleek, professional quality video that matched the description perfectly. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the keyframes and a complete AI-generated storyboard, so you know exactly how your video was built. Want to tweak it? No problem, you can instantly regenerate a new version with a single click. When you're ready to save, TopMediai gives you plenty of download options. Grab the full video, export individual keyframe images, download dubbing clips, or save the background music on its own. Whatever you need, it's all just one click away, and your files download instantly. Now let's put the AI video generator to the test. On your screen, you'll see three options: image to video, text to video, and video effects. For this demo, we'll choose image to video, powered by the Google Veo 3 model, well known for producing ultra-realistic visuals paired with natural sounding audio. Here's how simple it is. Start by uploading your image. Pick the photo you want to bring to life. Next, describe the scene by typing a short prompt that explains how you want your video to look and feel. Then, set your quality and duration. I'll select professional quality and an 8-second length for this example. Finally, hit generate and let the AI do the rest. In just moments, your still image is transformed into a smooth, lifelike video. Let's hit play. Wow, the transformation is stunning. The AI has taken a single still image and turned it into something that feels like a professional video shoot, complete with natural, realistic motion. From here, you have options: regenerate the video to explore a different version, or simply click download video to instantly save your masterpiece. Next up is the text to video tool. All you need to do is describe the scene you want the AI to create. For example, I entered a breathtaking aerial view of waves crashing against a rocky coastline at sunset with golden light reflecting on the water. Once the prompt is ready, choose the video quality. I'll select professional quality. Then, set the duration to 8 seconds and the ratio to 16:9 for that cinematic widescreen look. With everything set, click generate and the AI begins transforming your idea into video. In just a few minutes, it's done. Let's hit play. Wow, the result is incredible. From a simple text description, the AI created a lifelike cinematic video that feels like it was captured by a professional drone. From here, you can regenerate to try a different variation or click download video to instantly save your masterpiece. Next, let's explore the effects tool. This feature is packed with a variety of creative AI effects like AI pet to human, AI flying, AI explorer, Labubu AI, AI laugh, and many more. Just browse through the collection and choose the one you'd like to try. For this demo, I went with the AI pet to human effect. The process is simple. Upload an image, hit generate, and let the AI do the rest. In just a few minutes, your effect is ready to view. Let's press play. Wow, the transformation is both realistic and impressive, bringing a whole new dimension to a single photo. From here, you can regenerate the video to try a different version, or simply click download video to save your masterpiece instantly. And that's all it takes. You've just seen how easy it is to create high-quality professional videos with TopMediai. In only a few steps, you can transform an image or text prompt into a cinematic creation, complete with voiceovers, background music, and smooth AI-driven motion. Whether you're making short social media clips, eye-catching ads for your business, or personal creative projects, TopMediai puts all the AI tools you need into one simple platform. No complicated editing, no expensive software, just your ideas, brought to life in minutes. So, give it a try and watch your creativity turn into reality. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more AI tool demos, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update.